Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Cat S53 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's tap on it, and here we have to find the battery. So as you can see, it should be on the 4th position from the top. And right here in this kind of second section we've got the battery percentage option, which is in my case of course turned off. As you can see, I've got only the battery indicator, so after tapping on the switcher your device will show the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery icon. Unfortunately, this is the only option we can apply, which simply means that we cannot manipulate with the place of the percentage, but still it will be useful. Of course, you can turn it off the same way here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Cat S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.